Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. First of all, I have a news to share with you that few days ago I got my OET results and I qualified. So congrats to me. So for today's topic is on statics. So let's begin. So first we will discuss the null hypothesis. By definition, null hypothesis is an assumption or hypothesis which states that comparable data set have no difference. So it is the definition, but many people get confused why null hypothesis, why to start from a null hypothesis. So for example, we see a couple and we don't know are they in relationship or not, but for start we will assume there is no relationship, and from that point, from this assumption that is called that no relationship exists is called null hypothesis, and this is easy to start with. From here we will start studies on this hypothesis. So on these hypotheses we will for in this example we go and ask them, are you in relationship? And if they say yes or no, when they say yes, so it means that our null hypothesis is rejected, there is an relationship. So in this pattern, if they say no, then our null hypothesis is not rejected. It means there is no actual any relationship between any data set. So this was an example and I tried to explain the null hypothesis. So from there, in studies there are some errors, there are chances of errors. There are two type of errors. One is alpha errors, which is also called type 1 error, and other is beta error, which are called type 2 errors. So first we will see type 1 alpha error. In alpha error, if the null hypothesis is actually true, means there is no relationship between those two people, but in our study they said there is a relationship. Now this is a fake result, and or we can say it is a wrong result. So this is called the alpha error. Now let's move to the beta error. So beta error by definition is when the null hypothesis is in really incorrect, means actually they are in relationship, but our study says that there is no relationship. This is called beta error. Now it can be due to some in this example, for example, they lie to us and they said actually they are in just to get us jealous that they are in relationship, but in actual they are not in relationship. Such a story is the beta error. Now power of study. By definition, it is how high or low your study is statistically significant. So if you want to increase your power of study, you have to increase the sample size or the sample population, and this is the short definition, and USML usually ask this only, and it has a formula. It is 1 minus beta error. So that is the end of definition. Now the p-value. Actually many get confused that p-value is the power of study. It is not that. P-value is it represents the probability that your results come by chance or by luck or by bad luck or by mistake. This is the definition of p-value, and in any study there is already decided a p-value of 0.05. If your p-value is more than 0.05, that study will not be statistically significant. So this is the end of today's video. I hope that it helps you. If it helped you, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Stay tuned.